So what's up guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Bootstrap 5 for offline and online usage. Open your browser and head to the Bootstrap website. So for offline usage, all you have to do is to click the get started button and head to the starter template link. Copy the starter template code and paste it in your text editor. Save it as index.html and open it to see. So there you have it. Since the text here is only the hello world, this will be the output. So if you want to know that your web page is connected to Bootstrap, all you have to do is to comment the CSS. Here you see the text has changed, so let's put it back. So let's try to add a button, for example. So this is the button with Bootstrap, and this is the button without Bootstrap. So far, this is how you install Bootstrap through online. So now let's try to install Bootstrap for offline usage. For offline usage, all you have to do is to download the Bootstrap. At your file, you have to create two folders for the CSS file and for the JavaScript file. After downloading the Bootstrap file, all we have to do is to locate these two files, the CSS file and the JavaScript file. So let's try to extract this, and let's locate the CSS file, which is the bootstrap.main.css. Let's copy it and paste it in our file. Same with the JavaScript file. After copying it in our file, all we have to do is to link it through our HTML file. Let's try first the JavaScript and the CSS file. So for the JavaScript, there is two options here, option 1 and option 2. So for now, let's try the option 1. We have to delete it and let's select our JavaScript file. And now let's try to run our work. So there you have it, nothing's changed since it's connected. So let's try to comment the CSS file. So there, so far so good, it's working. So that's how you install Bootstrap for online and offline usage. So in online usage, there is a disadvantage in a way. So let's try to put this back. So this is the Bootstrap installed through online. So there is a disadvantages. So if you turn off your Wi-Fi and let's try to clear the cache. So this is the disadvantages of using Bootstrap online. You will have to wait for your connection so that the CSS file will work. So there. So let's try to disconnect that and let's use the offline usage. So for the offline usage, if you clear the browsing data, it will still work since we already downloaded the CSS file needed for the Bootstrap to run. So I recommend downloading Bootstrap first before doing your web development. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something about Bootstrap 5 and